What's up YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video and a happy Eid Mubarak to all of you guys, and also thanks for the 100 subscribers. Soon we will be reaching 200 subscribers. If it is possible, please subscribe and like the video before you go away. So today I'll be talking about 5 exercises which is fundamental for your daily tasks. Why? Because this will make you stronger. So in daily life, if you're stronger, your life will be better. Okay, so let's just jump into the video without having a delay any further. So the first exercise I'll be talking about is squats. So squat targets your legs, the quads, the glutes, your lower back, your core. So this is also called the king of all exercises. All right, and this is a compound exercise because it is a multi-joint joint exercise which will target multiple muscle at the same time, which I have already talked about which muscle group it will target. Okay, so you're having a bar in your back, you're going down, standing up. So this will create a power, okay, where you can have something in your back like heavy weight and still can walk and even jump if it's lightweight. Okay, and there are other benefits too, like increasing the muscle protein synthesis, having a bigger leg, or having a toned leg, like a good amount of muscle mass if you are having a skinny leg. Okay, so the next exercise is going to be the bench press, again a compound exercise. And let me tell you about one thing, all the exercise in this list is compound exercise. Okay, so the bench press targets your chesticles, your anterior delt, which is your front delt, your tricep, all the heads of your tricep, your core. Okay, so why bench press is important in your daily life tasks? Okay, so it is important because you can push something really heavy in front of you. Okay, so let's say your bench press max is 150 kilos or 100 kilos. So you have to push something which is like weights like 50 kilos, 70 kilos. It will be easier for you to push something like that, or even a human. Okay, you can push away a human with greater force if you want to do that. Okay guys, so the next exercise is going to be the deadlift, my most favorite exercise, and again compound exercise. This targets the posterior chain, the erectors, the glutes, the hamstring, the quads, the core, improves your posture. So if you're like this, you can become like this, and can fix your anterior pelvic tilt also. So why deadlift is fundamental for your daily life tasks. Okay, so you can literally have increased grip strength and pull something heavy from the floor, from the ground, okay, without a sweat. I still remember I used to be super weak, guys, so I couldn't like pull like 20 kilos bag from the ground because I was super weak, but now I can pull it. Why? Because I do deadlift, and my 1 hour max is 170 kilos. So yeah, I'm not pulling like something like which is 100 kilos, but again, if there is something in the floor which is heavy, I can pull it. Also, my grip strength is greater than before. Okay, you can also like squeeze someone if you want to. Next exercise is going to be the push press. Okay, so bench press and push press combined, you'll have a great push power. And why push press is important? Because you can pull something from the ground, then you can literally do a overhead press. This is the place where most people is weak, including me. Okay, if I can like deadlift let's say 60 kilos, I can't pick it up from the ground and do a overhead press. Okay, So this is why the push press is important for daily to daily life tasks. Let's just say you want to pull a bag from the ground which weighs like 30 kilos. So you're going to pull it from the ground, do a push press, and bang, you can have it in your shoulders, in your delt, okay, without any kind of help from other people. Next exercise is going to be running, fundamental for every human being. Okay, if you don't do footwork, okay, running, your cardiovascular system will be weak, like mine. I don't do jogging, running, or footwork, but soon I will start it because I need to do it. All right, and it improves your heart health, improves your cardiovascular. Plus, there are tons of other pros if you are doing jogging, running, or footwork. Okay, so the next exercise is going to be kickboxing. Okay, why kickboxing? Let's just say you are female, male, doesn't matter. You want to save yourself if there's a problem in front of you. Let's just say you're walking at the night, two guys just came and they're trying to rob you. So they have a knife. So if you know kickboxing, you can save your ass from those robbers and you can actually kick their asses. All right. So this is really, really important, self-defense, and this and everyone, I think everyone should know a little bit of self-defense, no matter who, if it's a male or female, everyone should know a little bit of self-defense. I just started kickboxing, so let's see where I can go. And the last thing, if you're going to start kickboxing, you have to do stretching, because if you don't have so if you don't have the mobility in your legs, you can't do a kick, okay, with your leg. Kickboxing requires a good amount of mobility in your lower body, especially. Okay, so let's wrap up the video. Let me tell you one more time about the exercises: the squat, the bench press, the deadlift, the push press, running, jogging, or footwork, whatever you call it, kickboxing, and stretching. So if you combine all of these things, man, you are super, super, super strong in your real life. Okay, I don't think even in a real fight, I don't think 2, 3, or 4 guy can actually beat you up, because you're strong, you have power, you have got the skills from the kickboxing. What else do you need? You can save your own girl from the robbers. Okay, so yeah, that's it from me today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.